The luxury truck market is about to enter an entirely new era, and if the latest rumors and concept renderings are anything to go by, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 pickup truck could become one of the most extravagant vehicles ever imagined. Combining the unmistakable elegance of Maybach with the rugged capability of a premium pickup, this futuristic machine is designed for buyers who refuse to compromise between luxury and utility. Imagine arriving at a 5-star resort or a private ranch in a pickup that delivers limousine-level comfort while turning heads everywhere it goes. Today, we're taking a closer look at what this incredible concept could offer, from its bold design to its luxurious cabin, powerful performance, and expected price. At first glance, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 pickup truck commands attention with a massive front grille finished in polished chrome, surrounded by ultra-slim digital LED headlights that give the truck a sophisticated yet aggressive appearance. The sculpted hood, illuminated Maybach emblem, and premium two-tone paint instantly separate it from every conventional pickup on the road. Massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels, chrome accents, flush door handles, and elegant body lines reinforce its ultra-luxury identity. The truck bed is expected to feature premium wood flooring, integrated LED lighting, power-operated cargo management, and hidden storage compartments, making it as stylish as it is practical. Every detail has been carefully imagined to reflect Maybach's commitment to craftsmanship and exclusivity. Step inside, and the cabin transforms into something closer to a private jet than a traditional pickup truck. The interior would likely feature hand-stitched Napa leather covering nearly every surface, combined with genuine wood trim, polished aluminum details, and customizable ambient lighting with dozens of color options. The front seats would include heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple memory settings, while the rear executive seats could offer airline-style reclining powered leg rests, fold-out tables, and a refrigerated center console for beverages. A panoramic glass roof would flood the cabin with natural light, creating an even greater sense of openness. The latest MBUX infotainment system could include a massive curved OLED display, augmented reality navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and an advanced Burmester 4D surround sound system delivering concert-quality audio. Rear passengers may also enjoy individual entertainment screens and their own climate control settings, making every journey exceptionally comfortable. Under the hood, the GLS 1000 pickup is rumored to feature a twin turbocharged V8 engine paired with a powerful plug-in hybrid system, producing a combined output approaching 1,000 horsepower. Such incredible power could launch this enormous luxury truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, an astonishing figure for a vehicle of this size. Mercedes' advanced Form-ATOIC all-wheel drive system would ensure exceptional traction in all weather conditions, while adaptive air suspension with active body control would deliver a remarkably smooth ride over highways and rough terrain alike. Multiple drive modes would allow drivers to switch effortlessly between comfort, sport, off-road, and electric modes depending on the situation. Thanks to rear-wheel steering and advanced driver assistance technologies, the truck would remain surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its imposing dimensions. Although Mercedes-Benz has not officially confirmed production, industry experts speculate that if the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 pickup truck ever reaches the market, pricing could easily begin around $350,000, with highly customized versions exceeding $500,000. Limited production numbers, bespoke personalization options, and cutting-edge technology would make it one of the most exclusive luxury pickups ever created. Whether it remains a concept or eventually becomes reality, one thing is certain: the Maybach pickup represents a bold vision of the future, blending supreme luxury, breathtaking performance, and unmatched road presence into one unforgettable package. If this extraordinary truck ever hits production, it could completely redefine what a premium pickup is capable of becoming.